Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. Vision without execution is just hallucination. There is joy in work. There is no happiness except in the realization that we have accomplished something. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. I do not believe a man can ever leave his business. He ought to think of it by day and dream of it by night. An idealist is a person who helps other people to be prosperous. Chop your own wood and it will warm you twice. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason so few engage in it. Money is like an arm or a leg. Use it or lose it. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. There is no man living who isn't capable of doing more than he thinks he can do. Don't find fault, find a remedy. You can afford anything you want in life, you just can't afford everything. To do more for the world than the world does for you, that is success. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.